Changing your spa pool water regularly is essential for maintaining a hygienic and pleasant soaking experience. We recommend you drain and refill your spa with fresh water every 3 to 4 months, or more often if it's getting a lot of use. We recommend you stop sanitizing your spa water for at least 24 hours prior to emptying it, so that the sanitizer level in the water is reduced. Step 1. Use pipe degreaser. Over time, oily film and contaminants can build up on the inside of your spa pool plumbing system. This means that your sanitizer has to work harder, so it's important to run a pipe degreaser through the spa pool system before you empty it. Simply remove your filters and pour the recommended dosage into your spa pool, being careful to follow the manufacturer's instructions on the label. Once you've added the recommended dosage, you'll then need to run the system, including the jets, for at least a couple of minutes, or depending on the product, overnight. Step 2. Turn off the power. When you've finished running the degreaser through the system, locate the power isolation switch and turn the power off completely. Step 3. Remove the drainage cap. Next, you'll need to locate the drain spigot on your spa pool and remove the drainage cap. It will be in different places for different spas, but generally you'll find it towards the bottom of your spa on one side. If your spa has 2 drain spigots, open the main drain first and then the secondary drain for the remaining water in the system. Step 4. Connect a hose to the drain. Spa pool water is not always good for the grass, so we recommend connecting a garden hose to the spa pool's drain spigot to divert the water down a drain. Be gentle while twisting the hose pipe onto the connector, as most are made of plastic and prone to stripping. Step 5. Drain the water. Now the hose pipe is attached, you can allow the water to slowly drain out. This could take some time, particularly if the hose pipe is lying across a flat or uneven surface. Of course, the fastest way to drain the spa water is with the pipe lying downwards. Step 6. Clean all filters. Dirty filters will reintroduce contaminants into a newly cleaned spa pool, so it's important to make sure these are clean before you put fresh water back in. Step 7. Clean the interior. It's a good idea to clean the interior surface thoroughly before refilling the spa. Use a sponge or a soft damp cloth with mild dishwashing soap or window cleaner to gently wipe down the entire surface. If there are any stubborn stains, you can use a mild detergent or mild acrylic cleaner. Step 8. Get ready to refill your spa. Detach the hose pipe from the drain spigot, making sure the drain spigot caps are securely closed. Pro tip: use a submersible pump for faster draining time. Instead of steps 3 to 5, you can place a submersible pump directly into the spa pool and allow the pump to drain the water. This can decrease drain time from hours to minutes. How to refill your spa pool in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Locate the spa fill pipe. Most spa pools have a spa fill pipe that you can place a hose pipe into. The spa fill pipe is generally a hollow tube with filter-like gaps around the outside to allow the water through. Step 2. Insert the hose directly into the fill pipe. Place your hose directly into the fill pipe. Step 3. Open the valve and make sure the spa fills to the correct level. Now you can open the valve and allow your spa pool to fill. Make sure you follow your spa manufacturer's instructions and fill the spa to the correct level. As a general rule, the water should be at least 50 millimeters above the skimmer or the highest jet at all times. Remember to set an alarm so you do not overfill your spa.